Hello and welcome again. Attractive and straightforward nail designs can be done at home without professional help. If you are a person interested in beauty and fashion, you can beautify your nails in your home quite efficiently. Cosmetic stores have an abundance of various nail designs to help you with the process. Applying these designs is fun. However, there are a few things you should take care of before creating nail designs. First, make sure your nails are immaculate. The beauty of nail designs is enhanced by clean, properly trimmed, and modeled nails. Clean your nails thoroughly with a brush. Push the cuticles back. Use the nail file to shape and polish your nails. Select a product suitable for the nails of the different brands available on the market. You may have to try different types before choosing a good one. If you have some ideas of your own, you can use them to create personalized nails that stand out in any crowd. Protect your nails from damage caused by daily wear and tear. Household chores can ruin nails as they require the handling of various detergents and cleaning products that can cause damage to hands and nails. It is highly recommended to wear gloves when performing household chores. Before starting the project, make sure you have some cotton balls and acetone at your disposal to take care of spills and other emergencies. Give your nails a healthy base coat. The color may be a favorite of yours. Apply 2 coats to look dark. Let it dry thoroughly, which is very important for the final effect. Use your artistic talents to create beautiful nail designs. A brush can be used to design not only flowers but other shapes, like dots and stripes, can be used to beautify your nails. Marbling tools can also be effectively used to create beautiful nail designs. Adhesives, gemstones, etc. enhance the beauty of nails if appropriately used. Please visit the link below for the full article, like and subscribe, and we see us next time. Goodbye.